Guys, welcome back to my Facebook page. It's your girl Peculiar Beauty. So guys, as you can see in this video, we'll be using our Brasilia wool. Yeah, you can use Brasilia wool to do any kind of hair, your knuckles braid, like any kind of hair you can think of. Are you just coming across this video for the very first time? Please do not forget to like, follow this page, share this video to your loved ones. Okay, so guys, you see what I just showed you now. You'll be needing our rubber band, our eco gel, if necessary the eco gel, because for me I don't think eco gel is necessary. Okay, so these days a lot of people cannot do without eco gel and all that, so that's why I just showed you guys. Okay, so you can also use it if you like, but it's not necessary. So this is my rubber band. This is the easiest way to grip your hair from the roots. Did you hear what I said? This is the easiest way to grip your hair from the root. So this is me just trying to secure the hair with the rubber band. Okay, so I'll just try to do it like much time so that it will not lose or it will not get caught and all that. So that's just it. So if you are out there, you do not know how to make, like how to braid from the root, this is the best way. You don't need to stress yourself. I don't know how to braid from the down, but you know how to braid, right? But you cannot braid from the root. This is the best way for you to plait your hair, like to braid it from the root. Okay, you just need your rubber band and your crochet pin. You can get this crochet pin in any shop. Okay, it can also come with, sometimes it always come with your hair, your Brasilia wool that you normally buy from the store. It will come into it and it's very, very cheap. Okay, so let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Okay, if this is helpful, let me know in the comment section. If you have any question for me, also let me know in the comment section. So I'm just twisting the braid step by step, step by step, step by step. If you are wondering, I use left hand. That's how I normally braid. Okay, so I use left, I don't use right to braid my hair. So see how this twist is very, very neat. Okay, I'm just showing you, I'll be showing you like 2 or 3 tutorial of how you can grab your hair, like how you can pick your hair from the root. You don't need to, oh, let me go, I need to go, and you don't need all those one. Even if you are doing any kind of hairstyle you want to do, as far as braid, or less is knuckles, you cannot do knuckles like this. Okay, so as far as braid, you can also do it like this, or if you also want to do a knuckles braid, you can also do it like this. Okay, that should be another method of knuckles braid, right? So this is just how I'm showing you guys. Focus, watch this video to the end to see how this is done, like to see how I finish up this thing. Okay, watch this video, share to your loved ones, share to your friend. Okay, share it to your WhatsApp group, share it to your family member that is finding it difficult to grab from the roots. Tell the person Peculiar said, do not worry, this is another way you can grab your hair from the root, like you can braid your hair. Okay, so let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Okay, if you have not followed this page, okay, please do well to follow this page for more video. Okay, if you have any other hair you want me to show you, just let me know in the comment section. I will be right here for you all. Okay guys, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, and please share this video like I said before, and do not forget to follow this page for more. Okay, bye. Watch this video to the end to understand how I end up with this braid. Okay.